Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for the previous video. If you're here for the first time, I highly recommend watching the last video where we talked about the Vietnam War. Now, let's test what you learned. Did the Vietnam War happen during World War I? No, the Vietnam War occurred after World War II. Did the U.S. get involved in Vietnam to spread communism? No, the U.S. wanted to stop the spread of communism. Was the Vietnam War part of the Cold War conflict? Yes, it was a major event during the Cold War. Did North Vietnam support capitalism? No, North Vietnam was a communist country. Was South Vietnam supported by the Soviet Union? No, South Vietnam was supported by the United States. Did the U.S. send troops to North Vietnam first? No, U.S. troops were sent to support South Vietnam. Was the domino theory the reason for U.S. involvement? Yes, the U.S. feared that communism would spread in Asia. Did American citizens support the war strongly in the 1970s? No, many Americans protested and opposed the war. Did the U.S. win the Vietnam War? No, the U.S. eventually withdrew and North Vietnam won. Did the war end in 1990? No, the war ended in 1975. Remember to watch this video several times to strengthen what you've learned and subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you never miss the next video in this amazing series about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.